got Mark's new jig head on. I'm waiting at the docks today because I gotta go take my daughter to go to her dentist appointment, and so I'm not gonna be able to stay out all day. So hopefully I can land some decent fish. Oh yeah, it's on. Coming easy though. It's heavy, whatever it is. It's heavy, it's heavy, it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Yeah, this is gonna be redfish or some drum. Yeah, it's coming easy, but it was fighting.
You didn't know he was hooked?
Yeah, didn't know he was hooked. Woo. Yeah, on your jig head too. Oh yeah.
Red? Oh,
Yeah, the black drum.
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah, can't wait. It's a black drum. Woo.
Okay. Not oversized by any means.
It's giving me trouble.
Yeah, you saw the net.
Yeah. Stop running around. It's coming in slowly. Whew. He's got some pull to him, doesn't he? Go back around, I guess. He's not ready to come in. He was coming originally? Oh, sure. There we go. I think I got him now. Excellent. Okay, yeah. First fish on your jig head was my second cast. So, yeah, without a doubt. Standfield Tackle Jighead. All right.
Oven or no oven.
Yeah. All right. I figured I'd try the pink out, and that didn't take long at all. Oh, you got pliers?
I don't.
Okay. I'll pull it out of my bag. Hold on here. I can pull it out of my bag. I should have some. Oh. Come on. I know you're in here. There you go.
Alright, Mark, so I just shrimp this one. I hope so. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. That was your one concern, right? To make sure that it was gonna stay. Sweet, this is the test. It works. I'm going with, yeah, I like it. And this guy's a keeper for sure. No. 2.5? Yeah, about 23, I'd say. I'll move the tail.
How big that boy runs?
23?
How much?
23?
Yeah, that's a good size.
Water's not running in the back there.
It isn't?
No. No water.
You know, one of the words are Croatian.
You got something?
A lizard fish.
A lizard fish again? Yeah, you don't see too many of those guys. Good. Well, you have to eat one day to find out if it's any good.
Imagine it's like.
Yeah, somehow I got wrapped up in his, and
There he is. He's right here in front of us.
oh, sheesh. All right. Wow, that was interesting.
You'll keep too. Yeah, that's a keeper.
All right. So you just got the unwrapped mine.
Yeah, it's just wrapped around those lines.
I know. If you go one way, sometimes like it's not always like the right way. It's like, how are you on there?
This way.
Yeah. I think you're down to the end where I got messed up. It's like, wow.
And now what did it do?
I think you're getting close. I think it wraps over itself is why. I must have got over this way. I think you go this way, yeah. See, that's where I screwed up and I couldn't get it undone. Because it wrapped over on that side.
What the heck?
You're so close. Come on already. The fish are biting. I'm just kidding.
There it is. Sweet.
All right. Okay, let's do this again. Apparently they're fighting pretty fast right now. I'll try to keep out of your... I guess he went way over to the right all of a sudden and I got tangled up. How big was he? Oh, you hadn't checked that yet? Okay. I'm gonna just roll for a little bit and see if I can catch another one. Right off the bat, you know. Fish finder and your jighead so far. Been really good.
18.
18, sweet. That was like 23. Jig heads coming to the shop pretty soon. Come on here. I think I got picked off. Oh, no, I'm still there. Still there again. Come on. Get it. Oh yeah. Shrimp was definitely an answer so far. Oh, I forgot my freaking ice packs too, of all things.
What?
Ice packs. I'm an idiot. I forgot my ice packs. I had a rough start this morning. My daughter didn't want to come with me. Say what? No, for my fish. Yeah, for fish.
Actually, now I'm thinking of it, I think I forgot.
Yeah. Oh, your ice chest all together?
Yeah, the blue one is
Yeah. We're just going to buy like...
Usually
they
they're
go in the
still
car?
Live, though. They're live when I get to the house. They're still
Oh, yeah.
breathing, so I can throw them in the back of the truck.
I gotta go get my daughters, so I just realized I'm probably just gonna have to buy an ice pack bag and throw it in the back. I don't know if I'll, depending on how much time I have. We'll see. I'm gonna have to account for leaving a little bit earlier. Need to catch more fish then. Oh, it came off. I think, no, he's on. I'm on still. Sweet. I got him. Whew. Oh, yeah. Whew. Ugh. I went in here. Oh, no, she's the boat. Let me sit right here and bring them up. Whew. Does not want to come up yet. Pressure on it. Keeping a lot more pressure this time. See if I can't just bring him up. Oh. There comes Vince. Right there. Excellent. That came in a little bit faster. So I put a little bit more power to it, this one. Without a doubt, pink jig heads work. I get a little slack. That's what it is every time, it seems like.
Yeah, I might need to switch over to catch the tree fit if they're here.
Do you have a what rig do you use for that?
Or like a drop rig helps because the weight's on the bottom, you know?
Yeah, because they usually eat things that are stationary, right?
Yeah.
But moving. Whew. Alright, another good one. Oh.
Measure it?
Yeah, just a quick measurement. I'll say about 20 plus inches.
How big was it?
20 plus inches.
Alright, that's a good size.
Two. It's two already. This time. I think I'm getting lights. Yep. I knew I was gonna get it. Ooh, this one's a real. Knew it was gonna happen. Pink, man. I'm liking the pink. Dirty water, pink. Okay. Pink and shrimp. Standfield Tackle. Whew, he's coming in fast. He's running the other direction, thinks he can get away. Whew. Oh, he's coming back at the boat. Don't go under the boat. Do not go under the boat. Come on, back out. There you go. Whew. Oh yeah, got it. Got it. Sweet. Sweet. Ah, damn. That little back piece got me. Oh. Yeah, but it isn't bad. It wasn't bad. Just poked me. Okay, buddy. Let's get this out of here. Okay, they're holding up.
Yeah, you picked the whole fish up with it.
Yeah, without a doubt. This is hooked in there big time. Excellent. Yeah, okay, pink jig heads are awesome.
Bring a bunch of pinks, Mark. I gotta look in.
I got one that's a partial.
Partial.
Yeah, because it got banged up a tiny bit when I was getting it rigged up, and the paint came off real easy. Just because you didn't bake it. When you start baking them, I'll be fine. Yeah, when it's baked, right. Well, if your oven didn't break, it wouldn't be an issue. Torture! Yeah, measure them and then throw them back.
So I can make the paint.
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's the keeper, I'm sure.
Yeah, oh man, that's heartbreaking right there. Oh, look at this. Oh.
No.
No, not even legal under the old.
No.
Got another one. Yeah. Oh, without a doubt it's a drone. Oh, let's go under you. Oh, hold on, go out of reel in. Woo. Woo.
Yeah, looks like it. Oh, Richard.
Yeah.
I love somebody else.
Oh, what the heck? Small. Oh, I don't know.
color on that one.
Whew.
That's a cool color on that one.
Yeah, he's a young one.
Yeah, he's young. Make sure you measure him.
Yeah, no kidding.
I think he'll keep. He'll only be 14.
Exactly.
Oh, get these.
Pink jighead.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, it's 15.
All right, he's a keeper.
Yeah, without a, no, I don't even have his head on there all the way. Yeah. There. Yeah. Easy. Easy 15. That's 4, right? One more. One more. One is a fabulous number right now. The freak! Yeah. He's going all over the place, man. Whew. Without a doubt, he's going up. Good Jack.
Oh wait.
Wait, what the heck is that?
Pompano?
I don't know what that is. He's fast and he's strong. A pompano.
That's insane. Whoa.
No. Well, Mark,
I'll be down.
I gotta admit, your pink does work for pompano too.
I don't think I've ever caught one back there before, have we? Yeah.
Not a jighead.
I think I've ever caught. Isn't that wild?
Yeah, that's crazy. And the Packery.
Nice pomp, too.
Yeah.
Measure him out just for
Kicks.
for the sake of how big he is.
Well, tell you, I got 14 for the span. Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
You know.
Christmas is coming up, Vince. Last one. It's coming in fast. They always come in fast and they always, oh, what the heck? Oh, they go whiting. What the heck? Am I in the surf or something? Pompano and whiting? What's going on here? I'm in the surf, apparently. Oh yeah? Oh, sad day. Hold on. Oh.
I don't think it's a keeper.
Yeah.
Isn't that terrible?
Yeah, there is no keepers today.
Couldn't get one to save our soul now. Now they're like, oh, guess what? Hey guys, did you see what the...
Hey Vince, are you winning this one?
Oh, no, that's all right.
Okay. You have a winner?
Oh, no.
Coming up short.
Wow.
Flounder.
The whole time
Yeah.
we're trying.
Yeah.
I guess we haven't caught a big one yet.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not trying to. I know where they're kind of at too, but I'm not going to try to go for them. Pretty one. No, black drum. All right. Yeah, black drum. Stripes. Oh, there we go. Barely. Nice. Very nice. Film? Oh man,
no,
I didn't catch it on film. Yeah, double hookup and I didn't catch it on film. I pushed a button, but I guess it didn't go off.
We're gonna need a production team.
Here, pull it out and then pull it out first, and then take it out the hook. You don't want to get hooked up in the net.
It's 219s.
Oh, yeah, gonna need protection crew for sure. Yeah, exactly. We're gonna get twisted up. Whew.
We all want a red. Maybe next time. There you go.
Oh, that may be a red. Might get your
no, it's
out of the flasher.
Gotta get up a little higher. Motor.
Oh, it's running away. Oh, almost down. Oh.
There we go.
Yeah. Nice. So, caught this flounder. Yeah.
16. Oh, Lord.
God, and it's way in him too.
That's a good brown troll.
Come on, buddy. Help me out.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna stop so I can do it. Okay, here I go, releasing them. Go back. Don't get caught again. Mark's hooked up again. Yeah, I'm afraid. Sure, first.
See it? Have you seen it? Yeah. You got it.
Drum. Oh, thank God.
Oh, the red.
Oh, red. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, let me get. Whew. He's fighting him. He's trying to get under.
Yeah, he's seen us.
Whew. Let's try to shake it. Almost. There you go. Got it.
Yes.
Fish finder? Yeah. Fish finder.
You want to pull it out?
Yeah. Oh, he's fighting. He wants out. Alright.
Might have to burn a tag on it. Wait, do you have a pencil or a pen?
That's a good point. Question.
I don't know. He might not be. Close.
Woo. Oh, this way back there. Oh.
Good. Got him. Yes, 26. Oh, awesome.
Nice, man. Nice. Whew. That's all I wanted. The last one. He's coming in this way. Last one. Ooh. He wants to go down too. He's trying to go down. He's like Vince's, where it's just trying to go down all the time. There we go. See, it's all the splashing and freaked out. Does not want to come up to the surface. There you go. Gotta be quicker. There we go. 5. Sheesh.
We filled up the box.
No kidding.
Probably more fish than we've ever put in there. Now, we probably got 3 more. There we go.
Woo.
Some of them are
All right.
maybe not a lot.
I'm gonna take a break. You guys get some.
Okay, you need one. There's these little bitty transparent. Some of them might be alive, some of them might not be. Yeah, they'll work. That boiled feet.
Yeah, without a doubt. Last one.
Limit. Out on drum. How many did you hit, Mark? 3? Okay.
I think I got a flounder.
Oh. Oh. That is bad.
I'm not sure. Yeah, it's cooperating, but it's heavy.
No, here it is.
Oh shoot, it's trying to.
It is a big one.
Oh man. Whoa. Whoa.
That's just on the artificial?
Yes, artificial with your jig head, your glow in the dark jig head, man. That's awesome. Look at that. Can you get it? Yeah, good. Oh, look how beautiful that sucker is.
Dang.
That's a slab right there.
Let's see what he's at.
Oh shoot, he does not like that. Don't measure me, don't measure me. Okay, I'm gonna try to stop you, buddy. I don't want you hurting yourself.
20 something.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, 19? Oh no, just 18 and a half, I guess. Yeah, he's really. Ooh.
I want to eat it.
I know. All right, I need my pliers. I don't want to hurt him. Let's see here. God, maybe you had to swallow it. I wish you would have swallowed it. Let's see if I can actually get this out without hurting him. So my wife's saying like, oh, you can stay out later. That'd be nice. But I doubt it. She's probably just reminding me. Oh man, I'm already hurting your jig head.
Yeah, I don't think I picked those either.
Sheesh.
Well, that's mean.
I know, it is really mean. There we go. Get that out of there. I do not need you eating that. No, I want you to survive. I want you to go prosper. Make lots of babies for me. I want lots and lots of babies. Whew.